There are three different types of the Harmony Hub interface. One for the N330 hub called HHI3. HHI8 and H-Sync, which are compatible with both N380 and N360 hubs. You can recognize the different hub interfaces through the labels on the front and the mounting spline nut interface. The spline on the HHI3 is larger in diameter and has 4 pockets in the final gear. For the assembly, you will need a white paint marker and a torque wrench with a 17mm socket. Determine the assembly angle of the HHI by placing it behind the dropout. Make sure that the cable connector aligns parallel to the chainstay and that no part of the HHI interferes with the frame, the chain, or the belt. Mark the correct assembly position. Mount the wheel with the left side axle flats in a vise. Press the HHI onto the hub. The white mark needs to align with the flat axle side. Secure the interface with the 17mm nut. The serration should be facing outward. Tighten it to 12 to 15 Nm using the torque wrench.